This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we are going to assemble the Toolbox box card. And I have put together a few of the pieces. The sentiment here for the back's already glued. I've glued the pieces together for the tools, just to save a little bit of time. That's pretty straightforward. So you have these latches for the front and the back of the toolbox. And I have notches cut out, spaces. They hang over the tops just a little so that you can see where to place them. So we'll just go ahead and put that on. This taller piece is the back of your card. The shorter piece is the front. You don't need a whole lot of glue to glue these on. So it'll just glue on like that. And then you want to make sure you get this onto the back side of your card. Okay. And then we have these pieces here. So the same thing here for the front. There is a notch you can see here for where to place the latch. The wider end is the top. Oh, I did better the other way. Okay. And then you have this black rectangle and you have 3 silver stripes and 3 red, or whatever color you're doing your toolbox. I've already put these, the red and the silver together. And then we're just going to put these in. There's a slight border all the way around each one. Okay. So I'm going to do the bottom and the top first, and then I'm going to put in the center one. And then you just want a slight border. And then just center the last one between the top and the bottom. And then you're just going to put that right in here on the front of your card. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and attach these two together. I'm only going to attach one side. I'm just going to go right up to that score line. Okay, and now you have your tape measure. There are some small pieces on here that you could eliminate if you wanted. So for the tape measure, you're just going to glue this on to this part. Your circle just goes right in the center. Now these are two pieces. I cut them both in silver, so I inked the top one. This is the clip. For attaching that to your tool belt, you're just going to put that right here in the center of the circle. And then there is a teeny tiny button if you want it. I think it could work with or without it. So just want to put that right there. Okay, and then this is going to glue into the front here, but I want to put the inserts in first to see where I want this to go. Okay, so we're going to set these pieces aside, and this one I glued on the handles, and this one you glue on the back, which gives you the contrasting color. And fold this on the score lines. And then for the hammer, I glued the silver head onto the brown. And then the screwdriver has the silver, and then there's a contrasting color for the handle. So you're just going to glue those three pieces together and then glue it right on. And fold it on the score lines. Okay. Now we're going to pull in our card. We're going to stand it up. And the hammers and the screwdriver are the back piece. Work from the back to the front. You're going to lay this down flat right up against the back and fold this shut right on it. Okay. I'm going to clean up any extra glue you have so you don't accidentally glue it shut. And then we're going to repeat that with the front layer. We're going to put glue on the tab. Lay it down right in front of that back layer. Fold it shut. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do is these two tabs we're going to put glue on. You want to be careful not to use too much. And we're going to leave this side flat, and we're going to take this side here, and that's where we are gluing these two tabs. Just right there in place. Go ahead and fold it over, fold it back. And then we're going to put glue on this back tab and close it up. Fold it both ways again. Now that's what we have so far. And then we are going to take our tape measure. I'm just going to put glue on this bottom corner. And I want it to go like in between the wrench and the pliers. And so there it is. There is the Toolbox box card. Thank you for joining me.